So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a chart title to your chart inside of a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here and press on chart at whatever chart you're looking for. So I will just add, how about this chart right here for an example. I'll go ahead and make this a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to add a title to the chart, so you want a title to appear like right above, simply just press on the chart right here. Make sure that chart is selected. Where it says chart options, make sure that title is checked just like that. And as you can tell, title of the chart, just like that, wonderful name, is there. And now if you want to delete this, simply just go ahead and press title, and you can sort of eliminate it. You can also bring it here. You can also delete it if you want, whatever the case may be. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add a title to your chart inside of a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.